Welcome, everyone, and thanks for joining us. Today, we'll be exploring everything you need to know about using team shared folders. Before we dive in, let's start with a quick introduction to Sync. Sync is a secure cloud storage platform that enables individuals and teams to store, share, and access their files from anywhere, whether you're on a computer, tablet, or phone. Combined with built-in privacy protection, file recovery, and customizable permissions, Sync gives you complete control over your content. Whether you're sharing files externally or collaborating with your team in real time, Sync keeps your data secure, your projects organized, and your work accessible anytime and anywhere. So let's jump in. So, what exactly are team shared folders? Simply put, a team shared folder is a special folder that provides a centralized place for your team to access common files and work together. Team shared folders enable real-time editing and file sharing with team members who have a Sync account. If you're collaborating on documents, managing a project with multiple contributors, working on shared edits, or setting up departmental file access, team shared folders is the best feature to use. Unlike link sharing, which manages access on a per link basis, team shared folders let you set permissions per user, giving you precise control over who can access the folder, whether they have read-only or full editing rights. And with real-time syncing, all shared files are instantly updated across each device with the Sync app installed, so everyone is always working with the latest version. Now let's walk through how to create a team shared folder. When you sign into the web panel, locate a folder you would like to share with your team. Here, I'll make the Administrator's File folder a team share by clicking the three dots to access the menu, then select Create Team Shared Folder. A window will appear where you can enter the email addresses of the people that you want to share with. If you're on a plan that supports role-based access controls, you can also invite by role. At this stage, you can choose to set permissions as view only or view and edit, or adjust them later if needed. When you're ready, click Invite to send the invitation. To accept the invitation, all they need to do is click Join Share. If they already have a Sync account, they'll be prompted to sign in. If not, they'll be guided through the sign-up process to create an account and gain access to the shared folder. Once you've created a team shared folder, a person icon will appear inside the folder to indicate that it's shared. To manage the folder settings, click on the three dots to access the menu, then select Manage Shared Folder, or you can hover over the folder and select the team shared icon. From there, you can adjust the access levels for existing users, invite additional team members, or transfer folder ownership. Changing ownership is especially helpful when the responsibilities shift. For example, if a project lead changes or a team member leaves the organization. It's important to clarify the difference between Teams users and folder members, especially if you're managing access across a large organization. Teams users are managed by users under a Teams plan. They're controlled through the admin dashboard, which allows administrators to provision accounts, manage permissions, and audit activity, all from one place. This makes it easier to maintain security and compliance across your organization. On the other hand, folder members are anyone that you've granted access to a specific team shared folder. This can include internal team members, external collaborators, or even free Sync users. One key thing to remember is that just because somebody is a part of your domain on your Teams plan doesn't mean they automatically have access to every folder. Team shared folder access must be assigned manually and on a per folder basis. For a deeper dive on how to use team shared folders, please refer to our Help Center article linked below. If you ever need assistance while using Sync, help is just one click away. Our Help Center is your one-stop shop for guides, tutorials, and troubleshooting resources. Whether you're looking for step-by-step instructions, answers to frequently asked questions, or tips just to get the most out of Sync, you'll find everything you need there. If you can't find what you're looking for or encounter an issue, you can easily reach out to our support team. When logged into your Sync account, simply click the Help button located on the top right corner of the web panel to create a support ticket. Our team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Now that we've covered the essentials, we hope that you're feeling confident about how Sync can make sharing and collaboration easier for your team by using team shared folders. Thanks for joining us today.